Hello guys! So welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sir Jess once again. This is the tutorial guys kung paano gawin yung flower at ito yung mga materials na gagamitin. So we have pentel pen and color pens. Then we have the scissor and the most important thing is the cup. So you can't make a flower if no cup. Then let's do this step by step. So first, lagyan natin ng marka yung nasa cup, yung nasa ilalim niya na portion. Just like what I am doing mga guys. So, imamark ko yan from front to sides and then at the back until it reaches the line. Ayan, so hindi perfect yung ating line mga guys, but you need to tansya-tansya na lang. Tansya-tansya means you are going to make it fit or something right. Because I have no ruler, so I'll have to do this tansya-tansya. So, I have there my sign for the guidance, guys. After I finish the mark line, guys, around the cup, so next is you are going to draw vertical lines because it will serve as your stem. So, you're going to draw the vertical line starting from the mark line earlier and then going to the bottom. And after that, I draw its leaves. So, it is better that it has 2 leaves para equal siya tingnan mga guys. So, I'm putting another leaf at the side. Medyo time consuming guys kasi dapat mo talagang gandahan yung paglalagay mo ng leaves at saka yung stem para maganda din yung outcome. Alright, so that's it. Then, I'm going to perform cutting. Ayan. So, since it is okay already, so we're going to cut it. So, ikakat ko dyan yung mark line na yung shape is circle. Pero, hindi naman ubos lahat. Hanggang sa ano lang siya, hanggang sa may stem. Kabilaan. And be careful in using scissor or in performing cutting. So, ayan mga guys, at kinakat ko na siya both sides until it reaches the stem. Hindi dapat maputol yung cup kasi once na naputol siya mga guys, absolutely you are going to redo it again. So, time consuming if you are going to do it again. So, ayan guys, at nakat na natin yung head of the flower. So, dito naman tayo sa kanyang stem. And also the 2 leaves, guys. So, medyo time-consuming din when you are cutting the stem and the leaves because you are aiming for the exact shape that you will cut. Ayan guys, at unti-unti na siyang nakakat. So, later, you will see the outcome kung paano siya na-cut. So, fast forward natin mga guys para madali matapos. And yan na yung kinalabasan mga guys. Alright. Pero hindi pa tapos yan mga guys kasi kakat pa natin yung head para gawing petals. And nagaganda na ko tingnan yung petals niya when it is cut. Kasi nakyukyutan ako mga guys. Ayan. So, I am starting to cut its head. Ayan, at bubukla din ko mamaya. So, of course, gagawan mo siya ng petals all around para maganda siya tingnan and uniform. So, ayan guys, at malapit na and we will proceed after this to coloring. So, sa kabila naman para gawing petals din. And when I am cutting, I am making sure that the petals are the same in width. Kasi hindi maganda tingnan if merong malaki, then meron ding maliit, merong mahaba, and then meron ding short. Ayan guys, so that's the outcome after cutting the head. So in order to make the work attractive and beautiful, I put colors. So maganda talaga pag merong kulay in order to emphasize the artwork and further to give life to your work. So, gumamit lang ako dito guys ng color pens and meron akong mga markers na color din. So, yung in-apply ko na color sa leaves is color orange. Kasi unavailable yung aking green. So, instead, I use orange na lang. Then, wala naman akong brown, so I use violet to color the stem. And buti na lang guys, meron akong mga color pens dito at matagal na ito sa akin, hindi ko na siya nagagamit. Buti na lang at pwede pa talaga siyang magamit na pangkulay kasi kung hindi, sayang naman. And I am also planning to buy color pens pero nakita ko to sa aking bag na hindi ko na nakikita So, I use it instead. So, fast forward na natin guys sa pagka-color kasi medyo time consuming din yung petals kung lalagyan ng kulay. Kasi as you can see, maraming petals. And I use different colors para kulayan ang mga petals, so that it will be look attractive and beautiful. Alright, so fast forward na natin yung pagkukulay so that we can proceed to the petals. Same color lang yung ginamit ko sa mga leaves, so that is orange. So it is time to color the bottom of the flower. So ginamitan ko dito ng pentel pen para maiba naman yung color. And sa mga previous ko na mga ginawa, color black talaga yung kinukulay ko sa bottom ng craft na ito. And maganda naman siya tingnan. Well, when it comes naman sa inyo mga guys, it depends sa panon nyo kung ano yung kulay na gusto nyo or mag-fit dito. Alright, so we're done na guys sa baba. So, I'm excited guys to color these petals. Ayan, at dito talaga ako nawili. This is what I am saying na nag-apply ako dito ng different colors para mas attractive tingnan yung ating petals. So, gumamit ako dyan ng blue, orange, and pink para maubos na tong mga kulay na ito. At syempre para mapalitan ko na rin ng bago. And the other color that I use is color violet guys. Again, let's have fast forward this because it will take too long. All in all, I use 4 colors to apply in the petals. Ayan guys, at kino-cover ko yung petal ng color. Maganda sana if I have a lot of color pens para marami pa akong mai-apply dito na colors. Kaso it is limited, so I have to use what is available. And I believe in a saying na be resourceful so that you will finish your work. Ayan, at 4 pa lang yung may kulay pero maganda na siya tingnan. What about if lahat na no? So let's continue to color the rest of the petals mga guys. And yung pagko-color ko dyan mga guys is alternate. First is the blue, then orange, then violet, then blue again, and so on and so forth. Para yung iba't ibang colors are scattered. And nagagandaan talaga ako sa kulay orange kasi attractive siya tingnan at napaka-thick ng kanyang color. Yun nga lang guys, pag matapos mong i-color yung petal na part, is dumidikit yung color sa aking kamay. In short, is dumidikit yung ink sa aking kamay. Kung minsan nadudumihan yung ating gawain kasi dumidikit yung ink sa ating karton. Kaya dapat malinis yung paggawa mga guys. Ayan, at next color naman tayo. Yung violet na naman yung ating i-apply. Sobra talaga akong nawili dito guys sa pagkukulay. At saka parang anong oras na akong natulog niyan kasi aliw na aliw ako sa paggawa at sa artwork. Next na kulay na i-apply natin is color blue naman. Ayan. So blue naman yung ating i-apply. So I'm coloring the sides, tapos sa gitna, and then going down para madali yung ating pag-shade ng color. Kasi pag hindi, matatagalan ka talaga sa pagkukulay. At yung mga sulok na walang kulay, nire-repeat ko para makulayan. Next color na ating i-apply is color orange. Ayan. So, very attractive at saka alive yung ating orange na color. Maganda tingnan at saka interesting sa mata. Fast forward na natin mga guys para madali tayong matapos sa ating output na ito. At meron pa akong tuturuan nito mga guys para maging magaling sila at marunong din sa paggawa nito. Kasi pwede itong magamit na design at saka display. So, yung mga previous ko na mga works about this guys, I already display it. And it adds a decoration to my room mga guys. Pagkatapos nito guys, is gagawa pa ako ulit para marami. Ayan, at fast forward ulit natin mga guys. So, natapos ko na ma-color or ma-shade ng color yung mga petals. Ayan, sunod natin yung sa itaas ng stem. Muntik na sanang makalimutan, buti na lang at nakita ko. Since I have no other color pens, so ang ginamit ko na lang na pang color sa itaas ng stem is color orange. So, yung orange na lang yung pangkulay natin sa itaas ng stem. Maganda sana pag meron pa tayong mga other colors para marami tayong ma-apply na colors dito sa ating craft. So, ayan, I choose orange sa itaas ng stem. Kulay time. After nito guys, na makover na siya ng mga colors or assorted colors, meron pang akong gagawin. I will put face ng flower. Syempre yung nakasmile dapat para good vibes. At para syempre maganda yung decoration natin. And it is my first time to make this mga guys. So since I'm done coloring yung leaves, stem, tsaka yung mga petals, ayan. So meron pa tayong lacking. So this is what I'm saying guys. This is the one that is lacking. So lalagyan ko siya ng face. Of course, our face, it should be positive para good vibes mga guys and inspire. The face I made there guys is just only simple para hindi siya guys over or exaggerated tingnan. So yung flower natin is merong kilay, ilong at saka bibig. O di ba mga guys, napakaganda niya na tingnan. Pwede na siyang gawing design or decoration. Well, yung sa akin is nilagay ko siya sa portfolio. Doon ko siya idinikit and ginawa ko siyang parang edging. And so far, okay naman. So, hindi pa ako nakapag-take ng picture. Basta, ang alam ko lang, nagagandahan ako at ini-enjoy ko yung work ko. Ayan mga guys, kaunti na lang at matatapos na siya at nilagyan ko pa siya ng blush. Syempre, yung kulay na nilagay ko is color pink. Alright mga guys, this is the point that it is finished. If you are new in my channel mga guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga videos na aking pinopost. So ayan na yung output ko mga guys. O diba, napakaganda tingnan at saka napakagandang i-display o i-decorate. So maghahanap pa ulit ako ng mga cups na nagamit na para ma-recycle ko at makagawa ako nito so that I have something to display. And pwede din siyang gawing borders mga guys. Well, it depends upon on you if where are you going to use it. So that's the wrap mga guys and thank you for watching this vlog. God bless!